Sanibona balandeli nabalaleli beNyana Productions. Njengamanje sisemarisburg Ondongayebovu. La sise City Hall nala kukhona khona isteleka, kukhona imashi. Then sithola ukuthi abasebenzi bamasipala bayakhala ke. Siphethe umfowethu la omunye wabo abakhona ophuma kwenyonyana isamo. Sicela nje introduction womfowethu uzosichazela ke nangekhalo ezimbalwa nje bese ke sizwa nokuthi okwanamhlanje kuhambe kanjani. Sawubona bhuti.
Unjani mfethu?
Siyaphila mfowethu, siyathokoza kakhulu kuba nawe ohlelweni. Ubhuti mhlawumbe sengayichaza nje ukuthi ubani and then bese sinike feedback ukuthi a position akuyona.
Ngiyabonga mfethu ithuba. Igama uNjabulo kaShabalala. La eMsunduzi ngu full time show steward wakhona, aphinde futhi abohlalo basemafika Mshengo region.
Okay, siyabonga kakhulu mfowethu. Mfowethu namhlanje kube khona umbhikisho njengenjwayelo esikujwayelele eMaritzburg. Mhlawumbe uma ungasibekela nje phezulu, yini ebanga ukuthi kube khona le conflict ekhona kungabasebenzi bamasipala?
Ngiphinde ngibonge mfowethu bhuti wami. No, into ekhona la mhlawumbe make wabheka I think 2 weeks back on Monday kwakukhona into ukuthi i-delegation yasemsunduzi yahamba ya kuSkopa. So from iSkopa kwaba nenkulumo ke ekhulumekayo laphana eyavezwa na umeya. Okunye kwasekuvezwa ke na leadership yasemsunduzi ke abakhona. Ukuthola ukuthi 1 kuthiwa thina la eMsunduzi asiholi uT3, sihola above uT5. So kwa into ke thusa abasebenzi ke leyo ukuthi hawu kanjani thina sibesikhola uT3, sizazi futhi usikhola uT3. So kwavuka kanjalo kwayibo kwabavuka lokho nje ke umbheshazana ukuthi cha na asikhola phela ukuthi phela masipala yasikweleta uma bezothi kunemali esihola out asingayiholi. So sifuna ukuyozwa ukuthi ke imali yethu ku back pain sinika nini phela ngoba nithi nasiholi sihola kangcono si comfortable kahle kahle eMsunduzi. So kwaba yiloko ukuthi ngaleso sikhathi sahlele City Hall ke nomphathi dolobha uMM sisalungisa amanye ama issues akhona vele. But ke into ithi as much as abasebenzi currently belwela indaba kathi 3 uya ku T7 kahle kahle i-issue eyekhona akusiyo leyo kuphela ye-grade. Ama issues maningi akhona eMsunduzi angazange athendwe kahle dating back as 2020. Sinama issues esilokhu siwa report ukuthi 1 abasebenzi mabesebenzile ama overtime wabo abayiholi imali yabo. 2 uma kunoku act la ekhaya, some of the management and abantu abayaktisa bengenayo even incwadi of act and kunabantu repeatedly ku-act abantu ababodwa yabonto leyo. 2 sasikhala nokuthi when it comes to my EPWP, EPWP it's a program e1 year esiyaziyo sonke ukuthi 1 year, but it turns out ukuthi eMsunduzi fanele ukuthi every single year ama EPWP kubuya abantu ababodwa. So asikwazi ukuthi ke therefore uma uzosebenzisa abantu ababodwa ungabaniki ithuba lokusebenza ngoba phela i-Labor Relations Act yasho ukuthi umuntu mazomsebenza more than 3 months which means uyamdinga lo muntu loyo. So usection 139B uclear lapho umuntu mamdinga more than 3 months umqhashe lo muntu loyo. We have abasebenzi la who have worked more than 4 years bengama lokhunja bengama intern. Wakwayizwaphi into njengaleyo. So we have managers as of Skopa into sesayizo ukuthi no abanama qualification, even those that have qualification abanama qualification that are relevant to our position abaku. So labo bantu labo sasithina kwafika i-auditor general i-report yakhona 2021. I'm also part of umuntu ohlala kalo kunje ku-LLF. So yathi mayifika i-report leyo sathola lapho ukuthi kunabasebenzi vele abangenalo ama qualification lapho. Sacela thina ukuthi no abademote phela abantu babele kuma position aba sithi umuntu akaluza i-position yakhe but msuse lapha anga deserve khona abuye ku position la azo deserve kuyo. Wacela kumkhandlu ukuthi asibanikezeni u3 years ukuze balungise ama qualification abo sabanikeza. We've been asking ke manje u3 years uphelile. Give us the report. So if it wasn't for Skopa ngabe sisayilo namanje ukuthi sinikeni phela report sazi ukuthi wabana abayi qualified wabana abayi qualified yabo. Maningi ke izinto eziningi but makumele sikunikeze memorandum yethu sayisubmit la eCity Hall sizokunikeza ngoba maningi memorandum sisubmitini. Sayisubmit na ku premier usihlezekala la sesekhona yena sikhala with the same issues akhona seyimacaleni. Ama internal cases awukwazi uqasha ummeli wangaphandle kuma internal cases. Ama disputes wangaphakathi umuntu senior manager or a manager of that department umele adile nama disputes ngaphakathi. Not usiqashela ummeli, we're not lawyers. If we're lawyers we won't mind vele sibe toe to toe nomuntu, we don't have a problem. As much as we understand ukuthi nathi as ama-shop steward kumele upscale in terms of LRA, but kunomthetho nama case laws amanye singawazi esidinga ukuglisha, but umuntu ufike senawo yena sezazi ezinye izinto. So thina all of a sudden sesikuthi disadvantage nabasebenzi. So izinto esiyilwelayo lezo ukuthi i-fairness in the playing field ayibalance. Abasebenzi abadeservayo izinto zabo abanikezwe. Currently we have got a case ekhona CCMA eyokhuluma ngama firefighters walapha la eMsunduzi. they had 2 years wabo vele kwama-intern siya understand. Instead of giving them a contract the following year, ubanikeza month to month contract. Why ubanikeza month to month ngabaniki contract ephelele? Or ubanikeza vele umsebenzi because iqiniso lithi kafaya istructure sakhona vele siyabheda ema home bodies ayadingakala. Awekho, we have a fire department onama fire engine awu2 nakhona sinenhlanhla ifirst bill isebenza. We've got department yaka waste enama truck mhlambe awu2. The rest ayaqhashwa lama truck lawo. Yabo, so iqhuswa kanjani inkunkuma if we cannot prioritize into ebalekile emsondozi. Buka nje kwamanje ngicole kunjani. It is because asinazo izinto abasebenza abanawo ama plastic, abanawo ama glove, abanawo even ama PPE. Yabo, ukhuluma manje unobhala wami welocal uNtshangase akanawo ama boots. Into ebalekile njengomuntu osebenza ka traffic akanazo icathulo ezirelevant. Uzomthatha kanjani wena mayizokubopha egqoke All Star. So we're not complying as umsunduzi ngama laws akhona, even nama policies as umsunduzi we're not complying ngama policies aformulatewa yithi. Yabo, so kuningi but engachaza but the rest kukhona ku memorandum yethu esinganithumelela yona ukuze niyibone ukuthi yiziphi ezinye imfuno esikhala ngazo. But currently we've set in the management sahlala ne Troika ukuzama ukulungisa lo daba esikulo. We've engaged kumanye ama issues akhona vele esiyowahlalela ku special LLF which is coming on Wednesday ngo11 esiyoyihlalela yona ukuthi let us look at other issues manje sidile nawo according ukuthi siya kanjani phambili and also focus kule ndaba le ye grading ukuthi siya kanjani lento ye grading and then once we are done because already process esiqalile we are almost done into esele ukuyohlala ku LLF si engage nekhona sivumelana sibe ne document eyi1 ezovumelana between all labor movements because sino SAMU sino imathu ethenefete kule msunduzi so bonke abasebenzi because lento ithinta bona bonke so uLLF that is when ke sibhagena khona ukuthi asixoxeni kube nencwadi ke formally esoyinikeza abasebenzi sithi nayi incwadi formally besides lesinpresentele yona esisayiniwe sayisayina nathi ukuvumelana ukuthi siya kanjani phambili. Yes
mfowethu ngiyabonga kakhulu mangaqhubeka nje lapho ukhulume ngamaphepha enwafakile ukuthi angaphezulu kwelilodwa mhlambe kulamaphepha nezikhalo ebezikhona ngabe mhlambe kukona njengamanje kukhona into oseaddressekile from the side of umqashi.
Bhuti wami mhlambe kube kuthiwa mhlambe uTrevor Noah kulombuzo wakho ngabe ngiyahleka ngoba to me is a joke uyayibona into le. There's nothing as of 2020 sesabayi-addressile sayilungisa. We've been fighting over one and the same issues ukuthi sometimes kunama issues esingamele siwayele even nako bargaining council or LLA nako CCMA. These are the issues esingawalungisa internally. But because sinama managers I believe ukuthi because of these unqualified managers yiwe ngakwazi ukuyenza lento be sorted out. Some of the issues as a leader as a manager una etiquette okwazi ukuthi certain things mele siyigcine emkhandlweni singabi umkhandlu wethu akumele siu-expose ngendlela expose ngakhona. Ezinye izinto simple singazilungisa internally zingaphumeli ngaphandle ngoba truth be told is unnecessary ngempela bhuti wami. Some of the things are minor ukuthi ngaphumela ngaphandle because of arrogance management enayo sinje namhlanje it's because of that.
So mfowethu ngiyeza if kuuthi uyabheka ngendlela obala ngayo ukuthi ezinye izinto beningakwazi nilungise ngaphakathi mhlambe ungathini komunye umuntu mhlambe ongathi ukuba greedy komsebenzi mhlambe okwenza ukuthi nize nifike kule position enikuyona or else ngawubuza kanjalo lo mbuzo ukuthi mawubheka wena ungasho ukuthi ukuba greedy komsebenzi okwenza nifike la noma mhlambe iyona iarrogance yomqashi eyenza ukuthi kube kule simo esikusona.
Kodwa wami kuze sifike la iarrogance yomqashi iarrogance ye political leadership ekhona emkhandlweni because I like to believe ukuthi as leaders that are doing oversight I do not believe ukuthi bayathanda ukubona umkhandlu wabo kanje and bayareportelwa phela singakhohlwa ukuthi bayareportelwa njalo ku full council izinto ezenzakalayo goes and report bayareporta lokho nje corporate services bayareporta community services bayareport infrastructure ukuthi kwenzakalani so they are fully aware ukuthi kwenzakalani they fully aware ukuthi azikho into zokusebenza they fully aware ukuthi asinazo into zokusebenza ama imoto zokusebenza asinazo if ungabheka la awungakho ama contracts agcwele la lungisa umgwaqo we have department yaka roads ekhona emkhandlweni but ayisebenzi yona yabo egcineni kosuku into esivele emaphepheni ivele ukuthi abasebenzi basemkhandlweni bayalala abathanda ukusebenza bayavilapha. Truth be told comrades abasebenzi basemsunduzi are very dedicated bayawuthanda bebe ngeke basuke emakhaya bezosebenzela izingane zabo bebe ngawuthanda umsebenzi. The reason why abasebenzi bebonakala ngathi baya move around nanani is because insiza zokusebenza azikho namanje kumele ngabe uyabona ukuthi buka imigqomo yethu njani asinayo imigqomo right emkhandlwini ukuthi singafaka inkunkuma yakhona yonke into yethu nje ibheke upside down uMM samhambisela i-report etshengisa ukuthi even ama public toilets wasemsunduzi nje holistically sobu vandalized ayabheda adinga ukulungiswa therefore how do you fix those things uma ungenayo izinto zokukhanda kuvuza amapipe emalokishini kuvuza amanzi iyafika abasebenzi bafike but masemele wabile emuva stores istores sithi asinama amapipe asinama valve asinanto zokusebenza kumele siye kagesi ufana ukuthi even kagesi we do not have the qualified engineers or electricians omele babe qualified ukwenza ugesi uma ngakhona umuntu ongalimala kagesi manje akekho umuntu ongafika ne certificate sokubheka lo gesi lokuthi ulimele lo muntu kanjani yipi iphutha lenzekile we do not have so kunama issues amaningi esawalungisa currently sikhuluma bhuti wami sisasebenza phezulu kwestructure se-2013 kodwa la emkhandlwini uyathola ukuthi bayasebenzisa se-2023 uyabona ukuthi akusahambisana into lezo baphula kwamthetho ke at the same time because awukwazi ukwenza i-structure ezimbili ngoba kumele kufe sodwa ukuze sisebenze sodwa sithi thina asihlaleni phansi sisilungise usulabor we've never had a problem yokulungisa i-organogram yasemsunduzi we've always been vocal ekuthena sisilungiseni i-structure ukuze abasebenzi nabo abasebenzi sokwazi ubona abasebenzi basebusuku sokwazi abasebenzi basemini akekho umuntu ozoxaka indaba zama-overtime akekho umuntu ozoxaka indaba zoku-acta nani ngoba i-structure sobe sigcwele ngendlela e-right kuzoba clean edorobheni sizoba nazo izinsiza zokusebenza emakhaya i-service delivery izoba khona but how can we have service delivery if into zokusebenza zingekho
okay mfowethu mangabuza kuloko kwamanje njengoba nje kade kuhlaliwe usuku lonke ehlalwe phansi mhlambe ukubheka ke i-outcome yakhona abasebenzi ngoba sonke isikhathi bakhala ngokuthi senze njani siyayithola into esiyidingayo noma sibuyele emgaqweni mhlambe uma ungayisummarize nje eyanamhlanje kukhulunywe kwavunyelwana ngani ngolesithathu abasebenzi nimisele ngokuthi benze njani isivumelwano nibe naso
okay no okwanamhlanje mfethu kahle umuntu bese simlindile owaka